Today, I'm going to give you the truth about the Imagine Visa credit card so you know if it is worth it. The Imagine Visa credit card is designed for people with less than perfect credit who want a chance to rebuild or establish their credit history. Approval is more accessible compared to many traditional cards, which makes it appealing if you had difficulty qualifying elsewhere. The card report to all three major credit bureaus, so making consistent on-time payments can help you improve your credit score over time. However, the downside is cost. The Imagine Visa comes with higher interest and fees, which can add up quickly if you carry a balance or miss payments. It also doesn't offer rewards, so its main purpose is rebuilding credit, not earning perks. If you are disciplined and simply about paying off your balance in each full month, this card can serve as a stepping stone to a better credit. But if you are looking for rewards or low fees, other secured or starter credit cards might be a better choice for you.